There are three powerful reasons why starting your business in your own country might be one of the biggest mistakes you'll ever make. And most importantly, I'll show you what to do instead. Let's get started. When most people decide to start a business, the first thought is usually, let me start it in my country. That's what everyone does. It seems logical. You know the language. You understand the culture. You probably already have a bank account. So it feels safe. But that comfort zone can quickly become a trap. You see, I once helped a client who launched his e-commerce business in his home country. He had a great product, loyal customers, and was even making consistent sales. But every year, he was paying over 35% of his income in taxes. On top of that, the government kept introducing new policies, new fees, and licenses. And worst of all, they were slow, delayed approvals, endless paperwork, and no one to answer his questions. He was stuck until we moved his business offshore. And within a few months, everything changed. He was paying less than half in taxes. He had fast and clear rules to follow. And best of all, he finally had peace of mind. So why is this such a common story? Reason number one, high taxes will eat your profits alive. The first big reason not to start in your own country is taxes. Let's be real. Most governments see small business owners as walking piggy banks. They'll tax your profits, then tax your employees, then add VAT, then demand renewal fees, licensing fees, inspection fees, and before you know it, your business is working for them, not you. What's worse, many of these countries don't even give you much in return. The roads are bad, power cuts are frequent, services are slow, and yet you're handing over a chunk of your income every single month. Meanwhile, there are countries like the United States where setting up a company as a non-resident is not only legal, it's encouraged. In many U.S. states, you can open an LLC, pay no federal taxes on non-U.S. income, and operate your business worldwide, all without ever stepping foot in the country. And the best part? Bizy helps you do all of this in just 24 to 48 hours. We'll get to that in a minute. And hey, if you're looking to set up your U.S. company quickly, check the description below. I've partnered with Bizy, and I'll explain later how you can launch your company for $0 plus state fees with a free registered agent for 1 year. That's over $250 in savings right back into your pocket. Reason number two, complex rules that kill growth. Every country has its own business laws, but in some places, they're not just complicated. They're outdated, slow, and designed to punish you, not support you. Have you ever tried to register a business and had to wait weeks or even months just to get approved? Or maybe you've dealt with government staff who don't even understand the rules they're enforcing. That's a red flag. You can't build a fast-growing business if you're stuck waiting on forms and approvals. You can't grow if you're afraid the rules will change next year and throw everything off. What you need is predictability. That's why many entrepreneurs are choosing the U.S., especially states like Wyoming and Delaware, where business laws are clear, startup-friendly, and built for scale. You don't need to be a citizen. You don't need to live there. And you don't need to fight the system. You just need to set it up right and let the system work for you. Reason number three, limited access to global opportunities. This one is huge. When your business is stuck in one country, you're limited by that country's market, currency, and reputation. Let's say you're from a country where international payment systems are hard to access. It can be challenging to obtain a Stripe, PayPal, or even a basic merchant account. But if your business is based in the US, that changes everything. You can get access to Stripe, PayPal, US bank accounts, credit cards, and tools that open up global sales. Your website will look more legit. Your customers will trust your brand, and investors will take you more seriously. That's how you level up. One business owner I worked with couldn't get Stripe in his home country. But when he registered a US LLC through Busy, he got access within days. Suddenly, he was selling worldwide. And the best part? He didn't need a US visa. He didn't have to fly anywhere. He did it all online. That's the power of thinking globally. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you felt stuck before. Maybe you've even delayed your business because it felt too hard or expensive to start. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck, and you don't have to start where you are. Instead of fighting with your local tax office, choose a country that welcomes entrepreneurs. Instead of wasting time on policy, choose a system that runs fast and smoothly. That's where Busy comes in. I've partnered with Busy to help you start your US LLC with zero setup fees. You just pay the state filing fee. They give you a free registered agent for the 1 year, free next day processing, free name search and company filing, a free 30-minute business tax consultation, real-time order tracking so you always know where you stand, and unlimited phone and email support. All of that for no extra charge. That's more than $250 in value, yours completely free, when you sign up through my link below. Click the link in the description and start your US LLC today. The truth is, the world is changing fast. Remote work, global business, and borderless money are not just trends, they're the future. And the entrepreneurs who win will be the ones who adapt early. The ones who stop thinking local and start thinking global. So, if your home country is holding you back with taxes, rules, or limits, don't wait. Make the move now. Start your company where it makes the most sense. And if you need help, Busy is here. And so am I. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're building a community of smart entrepreneurs who think globally and act boldly. And don't forget to check the description below to get started with your US company at $0 setup cost and claim your free registered agent and bonus services. Till next time, stay focused, stay bold, and stay free.